Hello, eager young minds! Ngayon ay nasa week 6 na tayo ng ating second quarter, kung saan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about interpreting the Gemdas rule and performing two or more different operations. Simula tayo. Let's start with this expression. Kadalasan nakakakita tayo ng mga mathematical expression na to na nagva-viral paminsan sa social media. Okay, pinapasagutan nila at syempre, ang mga tao naman, ang kanilang mga followers, ang kanilang mga friends, nagsasagot din. At kadalasan, nag-iiba-iba ng sagot. Merong magsasagot dyan ng 5, merong magsasagot dyan ng 6, at kung ano-ano pa. Okay. Nagkakaiba ng sagot ang mga tao dahil wala silang sinusunod na eksaktong paraan kung paano isosolve ang mga ganitong expressions. Kaya ito ngayon ang ating aayusin. Ito ngayon ang ating i-correct. Kaya pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang Gemdas rule or ang order of operations. Gagamit tayo ng order of operations para masundan or para malaman natin kung ano ba talaga ang tamang paraan ng pagsosolve or pagsisimplify ng mga expressions na ganon. Okay? So, ano ba itong Gemdas rule na to? So, ito kadalasan na siguro na ituro sa inyo dati, PEMDAS rule. Okay? It's just the same concept lang naman. So, G stands for grouping symbols. Pinadami lang kasi. Instead of parentheses, kasama na dyan yung brackets at yung braces. Okay? Yan. Lahat ng grouping symbols kasama. Okay. Exponent, ang letter E, same pa rin yan. Okay? Multiplication ang M. Okay? Division ang D. Addition ang A. And subtraction ang S. Okay? So, yun lang yun. Gemdas. Pinalitan lang yung G, yung dating P, ginawang G, which stands for grouping symbols. So, Gemdas means or stands for grouping symbols, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? Yan lang ang order of operation. Ito ngayon, ang susundin natin, ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod para masolve natin or masimplify natin ang mga mathematical expressions. Okay? So, yan. Ngayon, simplify pa natin yun. Gemdas, simplified na siya pero i-simplify pa natin. Ayusin natin talaga. Okay. The Gemdas rule, the order of operations, so ito ang susundin natin step by step to solve or to simplify expressions. Una, solve for the grouping symbols. Lahat ng grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, and braces. Okay? Yan. Sorry, pangit ng drawing. Okay. Pangalawa, step 2. Solve for the exponent or the exponential notation. Lahat ng number na merong exponent or expressed in exponential notation, yun ang isusunod. Third, solve for the multiplication and division. Okay, take note ha, pinagsama yan sa step 3. Multiplication and division from left to right. Ibig sabihin, pagsasabayin mo siyang isosolve kung alin man ang mauuna na nasa left, na nasa kaliwa. Number 4, addition and subtraction. So this is the last step na. Look for the addition and subtraction. Magkasama uli ha, kung alin man ang mauuna from left to right. Importante yan ha, from left to right. Okay, ngayon balikan natin yung problem kanina or yung expression kanina. Which is 3 plus 3 divided by 3 times 2. Okay. If you're going to solve this one na hindi mo alam or hindi mo susundin ang order of operations and isolve lang natin from left to right, this becomes 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 2 times 2. Ang magiging sagot mo dyan ay 4. But if we're going to follow the order of operation, tingnan natin kung ganun din ba ang magiging sagot. Okay. Let's try. Step 1, grouping symbols. May grouping symbols ba? Since wala, proceed tayo sa step 2. Step 2, may exponent ba? Or exponential notation? Wala din. So proceed tayo sa step 3, which is multiplication and division. Ito yung sinasabi ko, tatandaan from left to right. Unahin kung ano ang nasa kaliwa. Tingnan ninyo ha. Division, multiplication. Okay? Anong uunahin dyan? Siyempre, itong nasa left. Dito tayo mauuna sa division. Okay, so unahin natin yan. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So, ang kalalabasan yan is 3 plus 1 times 2. Okay, inuna ko to. Inuna natin itong isang to. Okay. Again, so yung iba dyan mag-a-add na, no? Take note, hanggat may natitira sa step 3, huwag kang magpo-proceed sa step 4. So dito ulit tayo. So 1 times 2, that is 2 again. Okay? So ang kalalabasan na niyan, that is now 3 plus 2. Okay? So proceed ka na ngayon. Wala nang multiplication at saka wala nang division. Proceed ka na sa step 4, which is addition and subtraction. Wala namang subtraction, addition lang yan. You add. The answer now is 5. Okay? So if you're going to evaluate, kung titingnan mo talaga kung alin ang tamang sagot na 4 ba or 5, following the order of operation, makukuha mo ang tamang sagot, that is 5. Okay. Next, example number 1. Example number 1, I have here, this is from your module, 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus parenthesis 7 minus 2. Okay. Sundin natin ang ating Gemdas rule para naman masolve to ng tama. Okay, step 1, unahin natin ang grouping symbols. Okay, meron bang grouping symbols sa expression? Yes, meron. That is 7 minus 2. Ayan, nakagroup siya eh. So this is 5. Okay? Okay, sulat natin siya para hindi nakakalito. Ayan na siya. 10 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 5. Saan galing yung 5? Dito. Sa grouping symbols natin. Sa parenthesis. Okay. Step 2, exponent. May exponent ba? Okay. Kapag walang exponential notation, proceed tayo sa step 3, which is multiplication and division. Okay. Meron bang multiplication and division? Walang multiplication, meron division. O, unahin yan. This is now 8 divided by 4. That is 2. Rewrite again. Okay. So, ito na ang kalalabasan. 10 minus 2 plus 5. Okay, take note. Addition and subtraction from left to right. Lagi yan ha. Multiplication. Kaya yung pinagsama. Kasi pagsasabayin mo siyang isosolve. At ang unang isosolve yung nasa kaliwa. Okay? So, minus 10 minus 2 plus 5. Yung iba malilito pa. Inuna yung plus. Mali. Uunahin ko ano yung nasa kaliwa. Yung nasa kaliwa ay subtraction. Yun ang unahin. So, this is now 10 minus 2. That is 8. And then 8 plus 5. Yes, that is 13. Okay? Mali kapag inuna mo ang 2 plus 5. So, 2 plus 5, that is 7. Tapos 10 minus 7, 3 lang ang sagot mo. The correct answer is 13 po. If you're going to follow the Gemdas rule or our order of operations. Okay. Proceed tayo, learning task 1. Evaluate the following expressions using Gemdas or PEMDAS rule. Okay. So, problem number 1. 10 minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Okay. Step 1 tayo. Unahin natin kung meron ba o tingnan natin kung meron bang grouping symbols. Since wala, okay, so yun pa rin. Okay, proceed tayo sa next step. Wala namang grouping symbols eh. Exponent, meron bang exponential notation? Okay. Since walang exponential notation, wala din tayong maisosolve dyan. Proceed tayo sa next step. Step 3, which is multiplication and division. Okay, meron bang multiplication and division? Okay, subtraction, addition, division. Ito unahin natin. Okay, that is now 6 divided by 3. Of course, that is 2. And then, rewrite again. Okay. Since wala nang nasa step 3 dyan, wala nang operation na pang step 3, which is multiplication and division, proceed tayo sa step 4, addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay? So, ang nasa kaliwa ay 10 minus 2. Ito, unahin natin. Okay? 10 minus 2, that is 8. And then 8 plus 2, that is, of course, that is 10. Yon. So, the answer now for this expression is 10. Okay? Let us proceed. Okay. This is also from learning task 1. Okay? Mas kinuha ko itong number 3 kasi kompleto siya. Merong exponent, merong parenthesis, merong addition, at saka merong multiplication. Lahat ng step meron. Okay. Step 1 tayo. Grouping symbols. Okay. Meron bang grouping symbols? Yes, meron. Okay. So, unahin natin to. Okay, so this is now 6 plus 4, that is just 10. Okay, then rewrite para hindi nakakalito. So, ang bago mong expression now is 3 to the power of 2 or 3 squared minus 15 divided by 5 plus 10. Okay, step 2, exponential notation. Meron ba? Yes, meron. Okay, since 3 to the power of 2, okay, is just 3 times 3. Okay, kung natatandaan pa ang ating uh, value ng exponential notation, this is just 3 times 3 sa expanded form. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So, this is 9. Okay? So, if you're going to write this one again, okay, ito na siya. So, 9 minus 15 divided by 5 plus 10. Okay, step 3 tayo. Step 3, multiplication and division. Okay, from left to right. Subtraction, division, addition. So, dito lang tayo sa division. Okay, 15 divided by 5, that is 3. Okay, so write again. Okay, so meron ka ng 9 minus 3 plus 10. Okay, take note. Addition and subtraction from left to right pa rin tayo. So, this is 9 minus 3. Okay, that is 6. And then 6 plus 10, of course, that is 16. Okay? So, the answer for these expressions, 3 squared minus 15 divided by 5 plus 6 plus 4 is 16. Okay? So, hindi siya mahirap kung susundin mo lang ang ating rule. Kung susundin mo lang ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ng operations, wala pong mahirap dyan. Okay. Learning task 2. Modify true or false tayo. Write true if the statement is correct and supply the correct answer if the statement is false. Okay. Okay, this is from your learning task 2 from your module. 2 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 4 is equals to 12 daw. Okay. So ito, nagbigay na siya ng sagot. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, papatunayan natin kung tama ba ito or mali. Kapag tama, true. Kapag mali, false. And then isusulat natin kung anong tamang sagot. Okay. Step 1, grouping symbols. Wala. So, repeat lang. Step 2, exponent. Wala din naman. Okay, proceed tayo sa step 3. Multiplication and division. From left to right. Okay, multiplication, ito. And then, division, ito. Okay, sabay na nating isolve yan. Okay, 2 times 2, that is 4. And then, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And then, rewrite. Okay, this becomes now 4 minus 2 plus 4. Okay, yun lang natitira. Addition and subtraction from left to right tayo. Again, unahin kung ano yung nasa kaliwa. Okay, so this is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, and then plus 4, the answer is 6. Okay, so, tama ba ang sagot niya? Since here, the answer is 12 daw, so this is, of course, false. Because the correct answer is 6. Okay? So, yun lang. Ganun lang sagutan ang learning task. Okay? So, yun lang. Sana may natutunan kayo. And don't forget to subscribe.